Today, as I'm standing here, we have the most secure border in the history of this nation, and the numbers prove it.
U.S. President Donald Trump's border czar Tom Homan touted the administration's immigration crackdown on Monday, despite concerns over due process, as photos of 100 charged or convicted people were displayed on the White House lawn. U.S. Border Patrol arrested 7,200 migrants illegally crossing the border in March, the lowest monthly total since 2000, and down from a peak of 250,000 in December 2023. However, deportations remain below last year's levels under President Joe Biden, when there were more people illegally crossing the border who could be quickly returned. Though Trump has moved to strip legal immigration status from hundreds of thousands of people, increasing the pool of those who can potentially be deported. Democrats and civil rights advocates have criticized Trump's heightened enforcement tactics, including the cases of several U.S. citizen children recently deported with their parents, including one with a rare form of cancer, according to the American Civil Liberties Union. Homan blamed the parents for putting their children at risk of deportation by remaining in the U.S.
If you choose to have a U.S. citizen child, knowing you're in this country legally, you put yourself in that position.
On Friday, U.S. officials arrested a Wisconsin judge and charged her with helping a man in her court briefly evade immigration authorities. That triggered backlash from immigrant rights advocates who raised concerns that immigrant victims may not feel safe in courthouses. Homan defended the arrest, saying the administration would enforce laws prohibiting harboring of a person in the U.S. illegally.
You will be prosecuted, judge or not.
The administration is now preparing to target cities and states that limit cooperation with federal immigration enforcement. White House spokesperson Caroline Leavitt said Trump is signing an executive order Monday that calls for the Attorney General to identify cities and states failing to comply with federal immigration law.